I picked up this load on Mothership. It was from Houston to Katy. It was 6 pallets and they were relatively light. I want to say they were about 350 pounds each. As you can see, I already loaded up the first pallet and secured it to the wall. Now I'm working on the second pallet. One tip that I can give you guys is make sure you have adequate ratchet straps. So if your truck can fit 12 pallets, make sure you at least have 12 ratchet straps. Now what you're going to see me do, I'm going to set up the ratchet strap so that when I bring in the next pallet, the ratchet strap will already be there connected to the E-track, and all I have to do is just pull it over. Now ratchet strapping pallets like this is totally on preference. I personally didn't want to have to open the door and see a bunch of boxes falling over. Sometimes within the video, you'll see me pull my phone out and take pictures. I think it's always good to take a picture of the pallets before they get on your truck or when they're at the front of your truck and they're just getting put on. So now I finished loading up the fourth pallet. Now I'm gonna take the fifth pallet and I'm gonna turn it sideways, and this is also preference. I'm not gonna ratchet strap this pallet to the wall, so to give it a snug fit in the truck, I'm gonna turn it sideways and bring the sixth pallet and put it long ways next to this one. Okay, so now I'm bringing out the sixth pallet and I'm gonna sit it right next to that one. And then I'm gonna ratchet strap it so it's not falling forward. Once that's done, I'm gonna chalk my pallet jack so it's not moving through transport. And we're done. That's how you load up 6 pallets.